Okay, this is the ritual of Brittany and I, so now we're doing it with Kelsey.
Oh yeah.
What?
Is this on that We Sugar Fun board or something?
No. Yeah, it is actually. It's like...
Okay.
Basic. Yeah. Can't do it.
This is hard. It takes
It's like hand-eye coordination, except not.
It's
I mean,
10 leg.
shut up.